9:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Friday, October 28, 2022. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So I want to start out this update with this article, and I don't even need to read it because I'm going to hit the play button so you can listen to it. Ripple reports XRP holdings below 50% for the first time, which this is really significant news. And it's been 10 years, and this is the first time it's fallen below 50%. That means more of us own XRP than the actual creators. So let's listen to this for 3 minutes and 27 seconds. Be a nice way to ease us into Friday morning. And then we'll go over the market as we're in pre-market for the Dow. We'll check the DXY, the gold and silver. We'll also check crude oil. We'll check the 10-year. And then we'll get into some crypto. We'll get into the total crypto market cap. We'll check Bitcoin, and we'll look at XRP. So enjoy this because this is good information.
Ripple reports XRP holdings below 50% for the first time. Ripple Labs XRP token holdings have dropped below 50% of the total circulating supply for the first time in the company's history. Ripple has faced criticism in the past by some that have raised questions over the firm's significantly large ownership of XRP tokens, arguing that it gives the company centralized control over its XRP ledger, XRPL. In a Q3 report published on October 27, Ripple once again refuted that criticism, while also pointing out that its XRP holdings continue to decline, falling below 50 billion tokens, or 50% of the total supply. Critics have pointed to the company's XRP ownership as an indicator that the XRP ledger is controlled by Ripple. This is not true, Ripple stated, adding that the XRP ledger, XRPL, uses federated Byzantine consensus to validate transactions, add new features, and secure the network, which means that each validator node gets one vote regardless of how much XRP they own. The firm went on to state that it currently operates 4 out of 130 plus validator nodes on the XRPL. Below 50%, a huge milestone. For 10 years, Ripple has focused on using XRP and the XRPL within our products for its speed, security and scalability for movement of value. As more customers use XRP in their payments flows, it's clear there is real utility here. https://d.co/xy17us. Brad Garlinghouse, at Garlinghouse, October 27, 2022. Ripple disclosed in the report that its total net sales minus purchases, of XRP for Q3 was down to $310.68 million compared to $408.9 million in Q2. Ripple has continued to sell XRP only in connection with ODL transactions, and ODL volumes have ramped up as Ripple's ODL, on-demand liquidity, business expanded globally, the report reads. One of Ripple's key business offerings is its cross-border payments service ODL, and the company outlined that it continued to expand the product in Q3 via a partnership with Forex firm Travelex to facilitate transactions between Brazil and Mexico. Related, Ripple's lead engineer to exit after nearly a decade with the firm. SEC battle update. Ripple also commented on its lengthy legal dispute with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, after scoring a big win relating to the elusive William Hinman documents earlier this month. The documents in question relate to a speech from former SEC Division Director Hinman in which he describes the regulatory status of BTC and DTH in terms that may help Ripple's case, and contradict the SEC's arguments. Since Hinman's market-moving speech, the SEC continues to deliberately create ambiguity, instead of providing clear guidance, and uses that ambiguity to bring enforcement actions to stifle crypto innovation in the United States. In terms of next steps, in November, the SEC and Ripple will file reply briefs, and, from there, await the judge's decision on the motions, the report adds. XRP is down 2.4% over the past 24 hours to sit at 46 cents at the time of writing but has gained 3.7% over the past week. Unlike a host of other major assets that hit new all-time highs last year, XRP's peak was almost 5 years ago at $3.40 on January 7, 2018.
Welcome back, everybody. Hopefully you enjoyed that opening couple minutes, a little bit of information. Pretty exciting, too, to know that the total supply, less than 50%, or now more than 50%, is owned by you and I for the first time in XRP's history, which is pretty exciting. So the Dow's getting ready to open in about 20 minutes. The DXY's up to 110.55. It was up a little bit higher, but now it's starting a little retrace, but it looks like it started a bullish cross in the 1 hour. So this should come up to at least 111.425. It looks like today. So if that's the case, crypto is going to start breaking back down again today like it did last night and into this morning. We have an uptrending support at 110.345. We'll see if it holds. If it doesn't hold that, then we'll end up coming down to 108.50, but that remains to be seen. The U.S. 10-year government bonds, 10-year yield, is up just over 8 basis points to 4.004, up 2.06%. Crude oil is down 1%, so PBR and oil momentum stocks will probably be down this morning on the open. Gold's down $14.76, down 0.9% to 1647.14, which means gold stocks will be down this morning. As you can see, some are down in pre-market, 1.5%. Platinum's down 1.31% or $12.50 to 945.00. Silver's down 1.18% or 23 cents to 19.35, which means your silver mining stocks should be down a little bit this morning. Fortuna Silver Mines will probably be down 1% or 2% to start. We got the total copper is down 2.17% or 0.0762, down to 3.45 per pound, 3.45 per pound. Total crypto market cap is up 0.21%, or approximately up to $942 billion. We're at a key resistance area right now at $940 billion, and it looks like we started a bearish cross, and this is going to work its way back down to the lower support. And it doesn't have to go all the way down to $892 billion, but we'll see if this cup and handle is built, because right now, if this builds it like this and doesn't fall any farther, this could be constituted as a bullish cup and handle, but it would have to hold the top part here of 900. And if it holds 940 billion, your next targeted move up would come up here to the next level and finish off the much larger cup and handle at anywhere between 1.02 and 1.048 trillion. So that's what I'm looking at for the total crypto market cap. We'll see if this extended cup and handle holds or if it breaks down. So that's our choices there, and crypto will follow. Identical, 100%. As the total crypto market cap is the direct pattern for all of crypto. You can see the bearish cross there in the 1 hour for Bitcoin. That's why I'm focusing on the 1 hour time frames. You could say we've got an extended cup and handle that if it puts the handle here, that's a very bullish sign. And then that should get us up to about 22K, 22.1. But that's if we make the bullish breakup. If we make the bullish breakdown, we'll come back to the consolidation zone at 19,118 approximately. That's if we go bearish. Right now, we're putting on a bullish handle. So if this holds up here, 20,116 as support, that's a bullish handle on the cup and handle. So pay attention to that. This could be a little fake out this morning. But we do have the bearish cross we have to watch, so we'd like to be back on top of 20,413. So right now we're between 20,100 approximately and 20,415. You want to be on top of 20,413, but you have to stay above 20,113 to stay bullish. If you fall below, then you can always have this chance coming down to 19,100 followed by 18,500. So that would make it very dicey this morning, so pay attention to that. XRP sits at 0.4629, up 0.33% or 0.0015 on the day. And XRP's in this ascending triangle. You had the resistance starting up here, support, support. You've had resistance, resistance, support, resistance, resistance, support. We're waiting for a breakout. If it breaks out, our next move is going to be up to the 52 centile, about 52.48. We can take a clearer look here at the XRP perpetual futures chart, and you can see how we're hugging this line. That's the uptrend right now. We need to be over that, and then it can help make a move up here to about 52 cents, 51.81. If we break down, the next logical target is going to be down at 38 cents, but that's not going to be the initial move. As you can see, we've got a resistance still up here at 47 cents approximately. And then the bottom of this pattern, if you look at the grand scale, is down at 30 cents, but there's a lot to do in between. The USDT chart shows a little bit more. Actually, it doesn't really do much because this one's just meant to show us the inside out wedge that we're trading in between. Now it's, do we come up? Do we go down? So the USDT chart is just waiting for some more evidence here. So we'll go back to the USD chart. And this is really what's going on this morning. We're squeezed in between the uptrend at about, we'll say 45.50 right now, and then the top end resistance at about 46.63. So that's, this morning, this is what we're doing. We're going to break down, or we're going to break up. So it's a breakdown, hit the resistance, and then down, or a break up, hold support, and then break out. That's what we're looking at this morning. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. Make sure to hit that like button. Also, turn that bell notification on to all so that you can see when I put out new content. And then also share this content farm-wide. So watch, recycle, repeat. Watch my content, recycle it to friends and family, and then come back next time and watch the next episode. That's considered repeating. You repeat the process. If you want to trade XRP like you see me trade it, with no VPN, no KYC, and no spot fees, we'll go into my video description below on any video. And all you have to do, MEXC is my current alternative right now. MEXC by XRP. You don't need a VPN, no spot fees, no KYC in the USA. And then the futures, you can trade up to 200x levers. And the futures is allowed for USA users. Also, they have IOTA. So the biggest thing for me why I have it is not only for the XRP, but for the IOTA. IOTA is very hard to find, and it's on that platform. And you can also futures trade it. You can also join me on BitGet. It's not, if you're in the USA, unfortunately, they're not allowing new users. If you're already in the USA and you're using it, continue using it because it's a good platform. I'm still on there. It's just, unfortunately, new users from the USA aren't welcome. But if you're anywhere else around the world, in many different countries, you can join us there. And then UPHOLD's my most trusted. It's just the spot fees are higher, but there's a reason why, because you can trust the platform. So you can join me on any one of those three places. I encourage you to join me on MEXC, get it spot free. And also, if you're on BitGet, continue copy trading me if it allows you. And then you can join Tom's Army right there. You join Tom's Army, get the exclusive content. You get the Telegram that you'll be able to come in and talk to like-minded people. There's nothing better than talking to people who know what you're doing. There's 240 people in here. Although we only have 213 members of Tom's Army, which means some people didn't decide to re-up, you know. That's the way it goes in this world. Not everybody's going to pay it forward, but that's okay. We still have like-minded people. And then we have the Futures Leverage Trading Group that if you're interested in futures trading, there's a lot of people that continuously talk in here. Continuously talk, so they'll keep you on the same page. Make sure to hit that like button.